Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott Front eRide Air Struts for the Porsche Panamera 970.1. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. The products shown in the installation steps below may look different than the part you're installing. The installation steps are the same, and all notices and warnings should be adhered to in the same manner. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Now remove the applicable front wheel and remove the upper plastic cover that sits above the air strut. Next, disconnect the strut connector retaining clip and the electrical connection. Now disconnect the top electrical plug as well as the airline. Now remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Loosen and remove the 3 top shock mount nuts. Then disconnect the wheel speed sensor. Next, detach the wheel speed sensor wires from their retention brackets. Loosen and remove the sway bar end link nut and separate it from the strut. Also loosen and remove the bottom mount nut and bolt. Now, loosen and remove the upper ball joint nut and separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly. You're now able to remove the air strut from the vehicle. Install the new Arnott air strut into the vehicle and install the bottom mounting bolt and nut as well. Next, reattach the sway bar end link and reinstall the sway bar end link nut. Also, reattach the upper ball joint to the spindle assembly and install the nut. Reinstall the top shock mounting nuts as well as the airline. Do so by removing and disposing of the white shipping pin. Then insert the airline into the airline fitting until it stops. When the airline is inserted, gently pull on it to confirm it is fully secured. Now reinstall the top electrical plug, followed by the retaining clip. Please be careful to appropriately orient the electrical connection to align the pins. Reattach the electrical connector beside the airline. Also, reattach the wheel speed sensor wires to the mounting brackets. Then reconnect the wheel speed sensor and reinstall the upper plastic cover. Lastly, reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a Porsche Panamera with Arnott Front eRide air struts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.